Cabbage casserole. Put it in the oven, right?
So put it in the oven. And what we're trying to do, we're just trying to get the cabbage also and other stuff. So, you know,
Dorothy's and Mike's Delight. That's the only way we
they
can
said
do it.
pour it over, but I always like to do it my way. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably turn it around. You won't have one end burnt like the other end. About cooking, you gotta want to do it, and when you want to do it, then you take your time and try to fix it to look as good and taste better. But when I do, I like it for it to be great.
All right. Again, this is Mike. This is Dorothy. Together, Dorothy's and Mike's Delight, and that's our cabbage casserole. We'll be back. And as you saw earlier, we had the ingredients out. Mom, tell them what you did.
I cut the cabbage up, the green and the white leaves, and put it in a casserole dish. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sprinkle onions over it.
Okay. Why are you gonna sprinkle the onions? What's that part of the recipe?
Well, you know, onions give everything a better taste.
Okay.
And with cabbage, I like cabbage, but you gotta sort of perk it up with something.
Right. It's good.
So the cabbage is, everybody loves cabbage, and now with this COVID, we gotta try to eat healthy to keep our immune system up.
Oh yeah.
So this is cabbage and onion together, right?
All right.
Okay, then we're gonna go and we're gonna sprinkle the shredded cheese over it.
Okay.
And you know, cheese and cabbage really go together.
Yes. Oh, that's looking good already.
It's gonna taste better than it looks.
Well, I like the healthy stuff.
So we want to eat healthy as we can. If you got children, my grandchildren even like it. So now, you know, that's a plus.
Oh yeah.
Okay, next I have cream of chicken, soup, and mayo mixed together. So I'm gonna put this over the top of it. Okay, you can either do it either way.
Right.
But I always like to put my my cheese on top of the cabbage so it'll get in there real good.
Oh yeah. That sounds good. That sounds right. What goes good with the cabbage casserole?
You could eat drumettes with it.
Okay.
Have your drumettes fried. or whatever, and you could just eat that. Either if you want to just eat chips with it. If you're watching the game and you don't have nothing else, just get you a bag of chips because you got your veggies right there.
Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That's what.
Because I think the Super Bowl is coming up Sunday, maybe.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'll put the mayo and the cream of chicken in it. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on top of it.
Okay. More cheese.
So I'm just going to put a little more cheese on it. Okay.
More cheese.
Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put the Ritz crackers on it.
Dorothy's and Mike's Delight Cabbage Casserole.
By themselves. Ritz crackers is good by themselves.
That's right. So let me ask you, we're going to, you're going to put it in the oven, right?
We're going to put it in the oven and bake it for about 30 minutes at 350. Okay, so now I'm gonna put some butter over it.
Ooh,
Way.
that's right. That's how we do it.
So I like to take a spoon and make sure that it get over it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat the oven to 350 and put it in there. About 15 minutes, I'm gonna look at it and probably turn it around. I sort of like to turn my stuff around so it get brown or cooked together, you know? You won't have one end burnt and the other end.
Okay, I'm sure they know about that. That's how you prevent something like that.
We don't want it overcooked.
At all. Not at all.
So because we don't want to take, if you overcook it, then you're taking the healthy out of it.
Oh. All right, there you go. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, y'all hear it? I know you guys hear that. Cabbage casserole. I wish you guys can smell how good it smells. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes.